Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I've just returned from Pax8 Beyond EMEA 2025 in Amsterdam, and my head is still spinning. The event was fantastic. First of all, it was sold out with over 1,000 partners attending from 41 countries, more than double last year event in Berlin. But the real story wasn't really the size of the crowds. It was more the message, the news, the announcements. And it was very, very clear. Listen very carefully. It was, in my opinion, a very direct warning to every traditional reseller and system integrator out there. It is time to fully master the managed service provider model. Why? Simply because artificial intelligence will be delivered as a service, not as a product. And if you are not set up to deliver services, you will be left behind selling the past. So in this video, I'll break down what I've learned at Pax8 Beyond, how MSPs are evolving into managed intelligence provider, and what that means for the channel, and a couple of practical steps you can take right now to secure your future. So let's dive in. We are entering what Pax8 CEO Scott Chassin calls the era of idea economy. Time when AI will remove the friction between the concept and execution. A world where small businesses can move from idea to impact almost instantly. I've heard stories like that at the Google Cloud Next and at other conferences about people serial entrepreneurs that used to build companies in years with tens of people and now moved to months with just a few resources. So think about this for a second. A startup in Krakow, Barcelona, Copenhagen can now access the same analytical power, productivity, and automation that once required enterprise-level budgets and teams, because AI will level the playing field. And it will have a direct impact on the total addressable market. The numbers already prove the scale of what's coming, because according to IDC, for the first time ever, the SMB total addressable market has surpassed the enterprise market, and it's now valued at the incredible $777 billion. And that's not a temporary spike. It's structural growth powered by digital acceleration, AI adoption, and the shift to subscription-based services. And that's a huge, massive opportunity for the IT channel. Why? Because even when every entrepreneur suddenly has an access to artificial intelligence, to intelligent tools, they will need someone to guide them, to connect those tools, to employ and enable and deploy those tools to deliver business outcomes. And that someone could be you, but only if you evolve. Because this opportunity won't be unlocked through individual transactions or one-off deals. It will be delivered through services, intelligence, and recurring revenue. It took me years to fully grasp what managed services truly meant. It's not just about recurring billing. It's more about taking complete ownership of a customer problem. Not we will sell you the server, but more about we guarantee your business never stops. An MSP is like insurance for uptime, productivity, and security. As an MSP, you are not just maintaining technology, you are actually delivering a peace of mind. And yes, the transition from reseller to MSP or system integrator or IT integrator to MSP is hard. It's a complete cultural shift. The sales compensation models and the salespeople will have to change. They need to move from a one large time commissions to smaller but very regular payments based on the MRR and spread out over time. Finance will have to master cash flow management for a subscription model. There are many parts of the business that will have to change. But once you understand that MSP model, then you will be ready for managing artificial intelligence. You will be ready to become the managed intelligence provider, the concept Pax8 introduced this year in Denver. In Amsterdam, they moved this concept from vision to execution, and I really appreciated that, because they made a couple of really interesting announcements. They announced Pax8 Agent Store, and funny enough, they call it talent marketplace for digital workers. So MSPs will be able to discover, license, build, and sell AI agents from this agent store, just like they sell cloud services today. They also announced MIP playbook outlining 5 core plays: discover, build, sell, and manage. Each play is supposed to help partners identify process inefficiencies, deploy and build AI agents, and some recommendations how to monetize those services, because they are very tied. They have to be tied to the business result. It gives MSPs a very practical roadmap to transform from service management to intelligence orchestration. They have also introduced a guided growth 2.0, where they have over 100 courses designed to help partners transition to the MIP model. And each partner gets a personalized learning path based on an initial AI readiness assessment. That's how partners will sell AI. Not through one-off projects, but through a managed, recurring delivery of intelligence workflows. AI will not be installed, it will be subscribed to, monitored, and managed. So if you are not a managed service provider yet, chances are you won't be part of this ecosystem. And Pax8 even projects you could see a 30 to 50% drop in margins by 2027. So what does it mean for you as a bar today? Well, here's my advice. Understand the MSP model now. Learn the mechanics of recurring revenue, technician utilization, and service delivery processes. Start with one service. I don't know, pick something simple, recurring offer, like security, backup, or M365. Price it monthly and focus on deliver it consistently. Shift your mindset. Stop selling products, start owning outcomes. Clients don't care what's under the hood. They care that it works for them. And build the right partnerships, align with vendors and distributors who enable services, not just transactions. Companies like Pax8, Microsoft, SentinelOne are building frameworks around partner enablement. And obviously, invest in learning. Pax8's MIP playbook and guided growth are great starting points. And if you're in Poland, connect with me to learn about the Business as a Service Academy. We are launching the program with Koźmiński University in Warsaw, and I'm happy to offer you some advice and guidance how to sign up. So to sum up, here's my takeaway from Amsterdam for Pax8 Beyond in Amsterdam. AI will not make resellers obsolete, but it will make those who remain transactional irrelevant. The MSP model is not the final destination, it's the bridge. The bridge between the old world of transactions and the new world of intelligent, outcome-driven value. The ones who evolve, who embrace managed services and intelligent automation, will become the architects of the next decade. So if you are still a reseller or IT integrator, ask yourself, what will my customer need me for when AI starts managing their business? And if the answer isn't clear, that's where your transformation will have to begin. It will have to begin with a mindset. It will require leadership discipline. It will mean showing up every day to build something that lasts. And it's going to be uncomfortable, even messy because this messy middle between it's where the change is going to be truly happening. I'm going to be sharing more insights like this next week and every week. The interviews from the Pax8 Beyond event, the practical advices for resellers making the leap to MSP and beyond. If you found this helpful, this video and this channel, leave a comment and share how your business is approaching AI. Let's make sure that in this next wave of change, you're not just watching it, you are leading it. Thanks for joining me today and see you soon. Bye.